Safety Jake here from Preferred Insurance, and today we're talking about restaurant coverage. Running a restaurant means managing a lot of personalities. You got servers, hosts, cooks, applicants, former employees, and at least one line cook who is convinced that the walk-in cooler is also a therapist's office.
Is somebody cutting onions in here?
Restaurants are busy. People get stressed, tempers flare, someone inevitably says, "I'm putting in my 2 weeks." But when workplace issues turn into legal claims, it's no longer restaurant drama. It can become very expensive. Restaurants can face claims from current employees, former employees, or even applicants who were never hired. And allegations can include discrimination, harassment, wrongful termination, or retaliation. And here's the scary part. Defending those claims isn't cheap. Employment-related verdicts can exceed $1 million in some cases. That's a whole lot of mozzarella sticks. This is where Employment Practices Liability Insurance, or EPLI, comes into play. EPLI can help cover the cost of defending employment-related claims, along with the damages that you may be legally required to pay. Think of it this way. You have fire suppression to help put out fires in your kitchen, slip-resistant floors to help prevent falls, and EPLI helps protect your business from a different type of workplace hazard: paperwork. And trust me on this, legal paperwork hurts a lot longer than touching a hot pan. Imagine knowing your EPLI coverage is strong enough to protect you from more than a bad Yelp review or a server who quits mid-shift. Reach out to Preferred today, and we'll make sure your restaurant is protected from the risks that don't show up on the menu. Yes, chef.